Hello students, now in this lecture we are we have to cover adjustment of capital when existing total capital of remaining partner be in their profit sharing ratio. In this we will see that how much is the total capital of the remaining partner, and that we will just calculate how much should be the capital of each partner as per the profit sharing ratio of the remaining partner. And if some partner is having more capital than this, he will withdraw the capital from the business, and if he has less capital, he will bring that much of amount into the business. Okay, so here we take the same question but with little change here. So this is the same question we had taken earlier. Then XYZ are the partners. They are sharing profits in ratio of 4:3:2, and their capital account shows their capital balances where this much 60, 50 and 45. Reserve amount is this much 20, 15 and 10. P&L account shows the profit that were not distributed were 8,000, 6,000, 4,000, and revaluation account gain when distributed transfer to their capital account, it came 4,000, 3,000 and 2,000. Because Y is retiring in this firm, so we have find out how much total amount is to be paid to Y. So there is no debit amount here, so the total of this credit side of the Y's capital account will be the amount which is to be paid to him. So when we add up this, it comes 74,000 which is to be paid to him. This amount we have transferred to his loan account. Okay, 74,000. This is done. Now we will solve that how this capital account of both the remaining partner will be adjusted as per their profit sharing ratio, and when they just want to adjust the capital as per the profit sharing ratio, and their capital would be the total of the capital of both the partners. So first of all we will find out what is the balance of their capital account. Okay, so when we add up this thing, because there is no debit amounts here, so the total of this will be the amount of their capital. So when we add up this, it comes 549 and 211 and 11 and this 5 and 1, 61,000. Z's capital is 61,000 and Y's capital when we calculate X capital, because Y is retiring, so X is the existing partner. So when we total up this, it is 8, 4, 12 and 7 to 9. 92,000 is the capital of X. So now we will total up the capital of both the partners. When we total up this, it comes 213,9615. 1,53,000 is the total capital of remaining partners or existing partners. Now this 1,53,000 we will divide, that how much should be the capital as per their profit sharing ratio. And we know that what is the profit sharing ratio? Profit sharing ratio between X and Z is 4:2. Means whatever Z is getting, X is getting double to that. 2, if it is getting 2, it is getting 4. If it is getting 1, it is getting 2. So double of X and Z X is getting. So 4:2 if we calculate, 4:2 is the remaining profit sharing ratio. Out of this total is 6. Out of 6 here X is getting 4, and out of 6 here Z is getting 2. So this 1,53,000, when we calculated the capital, total capital of X and Z, so we will just find out how much should be the capital. So 1,53,000. So share of profit he is taking, X is taking 4 share out of 6. So his capital 4 upon 6, his share of profit is there, and the total capital is 1,53,000. How much his capital should be there? 1,53, 4/6 of 1,53,000. When we divide this thing there, okay, so if we divide 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, and 3 when we divide it, 3 5 ja 15 and 3 1 ja 3, 51,000. When multiplied by 2, and 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, it comes 1,02,000 should be the capital of this X. And the same way Z's capital, when we calculate 2 upon 6 of 1,53,000, it comes 51,000. 3 and 3 5 ja 15, 3 1 ja 51,000. 51,000 into 1, 51,000. So 51,000, when we add up, this comes 1,53,000, and this total capital of both the partners. So this should be the capital of X, and this should be the 51,000 should be the capital of Z. Now we'll see what is the position here of the capital account. Okay, so we know that X capital is 92,000. How much should be his capital? His capital should be 1,02,000 when we have calculated here. Okay, so 92,000 his capital is there, 92,000, and his capital should be 1,02,000. How much short his capital is? 10,000 short capital. His capital is 10,000 rupees short. So he will bring 10,000 rupees here. So he will bring 10,000 rupees here in the business. So 10,000 by cash account 10,000, and so his capital will become 1,02,000. Okay, 1,02,000, and here his balance will be X 1,02,000 rupees. Okay, and we will put here 1,02,000 rupees. Okay, 74. Now this we will just put a dash over here. Now come to Z's account. When we total up this, it comes 61,000, as we had already calculated. 61,000 his capital is there, so he has not to bring anything, because his his amount of capital, or his balance of capital, is more than the requirement. His capital should be 51,000, but his capital is actually 61,000. 10,000 more. His capital is 10,000 rupees more. So what will be done? So he will here, because he has not to bring any amount here, so we will total up this. It will come 61,000. Okay, and then, but he will withdraw the amount to cash. So we will put here to cash. How much amount he will withdraw? 10,000 rupees he will withdraw. Then how much would be the balance? 51,000 will be the balance. So total, when we add up, this comes 61,000. Okay, so this way here we can see clearly that the balance of when his X brings 10,000 rupees, his capital becomes 1,02,000. That is the requirement of the new firm. And in the same way, because Z was having more amount in the business, so he will withdraw rupees 10,000 from the business, and so he is withdrawn this 10,000. So 10,000, 61,000 is here. So this way this question will be solved. Okay, thank you. Third method we will learn in our next lecture.